So y'all, it's boy D back with another video. Got something new for you guys. What we got for them?
Hi guys, it's Jay. So yeah, we have merchandise here that we are in the midst of making. It's been a rough day. This is we're working on our 7th order, I believe. We don't have an office space, so yeah, excuse me this. But we work.
So yeah, basically we gonna take y'all through, I guess, the steps of us making a shirt. This is our first time making a shirt on our own equipment.
Yeah.
So yeah, invest in yourself.
Welcome back, guys. So right now we are cutting the splash for the Splash Game shirt. We have a Cricut Explorer Air 2, and basically the little blade that's inside of the cutter is drawing the splash in the vinyl. So it's at 92, which means it's almost finished. This takes longer because it's so many little small spaces and it's longer. So yeah, once it finishes, we will take the weeder, which is in the tray, maybe under here, it's in the tray. In the tray
little thingy thing
where all of our tools are.
Yeah,
so we have several different weeders. This is one that has like a deep hook on it. Y'all, they are really sharp, so be careful. I stabbed myself in the thumb and then my finger's swollen. But yeah, so once it finishes, you're gonna press the release button and it's gonna slide out. And then you're going to weed it. So you're going to take out all of the extra vinyl that you don't need. And basically when you finish, the only thing that'll be there is the design that you're looking to print. I'm so tired. But yeah, and then over here we have the heat press. And we're getting the shirt ready so that we can press the material onto the shirt.
Cooking that thing, we got it on 325. Cooking it.
Don't judge our setting, we're still working. We just got all of our materials. So we'll have an office set up soon. And it is, okay, I thought it was gonna be done when I did it. Yeah. So we just unloaded the mat, and right now I am, like I said, taking off the excess vinyl that we do not need. And basically you just want to pull it off. Just make sure you be careful because you can make a mistake and pull off pieces that are supposed to remain on the vinyl, the sticky part basically. So yeah, I've done this one a few times, so I'm kind of somewhat advanced at pulling. There's an easier way that you can do this, but I don't do it that way. It's just the easier way.
You don't do it the easy way?
No, because with this specific design, if you do it the way that people say is the easy way, you can make a mistake and mess up the design. And I would prefer to do it the harder way than to mess up the design. You feel me? So you have to go in, dig in with the leader, and let me see. So you have to find the little spots that you need to take off, like this right here. Anything that you don't want to show up on the shirt, you need to take it off. We don't have a trash can just yet for this, so. And all of the pieces are going to be outlined. Sorry, y'all, these things are super sharp.